Learning English is a piece of cake, and among all the subjects, English is definitely my cup of tea.
Cake? Tea? Are we going for afternoon tea?
No, I don't mean a piece of cake and my cup of tea, literally. It seems like she could use some more idioms in her English vocabulary. Hello everyone, my name is Sarah. Welcome back to Why Not Academy. You know, there are thousands of idioms in the English language covering a wide range of topics, from colors to animals to emotions and everyday situations. With so many idioms out there, it's quite challenging to learn them all, especially they're constantly evolving. Personally, I don't think it's necessary to know every single idiom. Instead, I recommend focusing on commonly used ones in daily conversations. That way, you will better understand native speakers and you'll be able to use these idioms to communicate more effectively too. In today's video, I've prepared 20 common food idioms to share with you. If you are a fellow foodie like me, you'll find these idioms both vivid and easy to remember. Make sure you stick around to the end because for each idiom, I'll provide you with 2 simple sentences. By the time we finish this video, you'll be able to use these idioms confidently in your own conversations. So let's dig in. Number 1, spill the beans. We use this idiom when someone accidentally or unintentionally reveals a secret or confidential information. For example, if a friend accidentally mentions a surprise party they were organizing for someone, you could say, "I wasn't supposed to know, but Sarah spilled the beans about the surprise party." Another example, the reporter accidentally spilled the beans about the company's upcoming product launch. Oops, spilled the beans.
Gonna spill the beans in front of an outsider?
Number 2, full of beans. If someone is full of beans, it means someone is full of energy and enthusiasm. For instance, after a good night's sleep, the kids were full of beans and ready to play all day. Or another example, despite her age, Grandma is still full of beans and loves to dance at parties. Good for her.
I'm white and full of beans.
Number 3, bring home the bacon. We use this idiom when talking about someone who earns a living or financially supports their family. For example, it's my responsibility to bring home the bacon and support my family. Another example, the hardworking team was determined to bring home the bacon with their latest project.
Me, bringing home the bacon for my fiancé.
Number 4, egg someone on. If you want to describe someone who encourages or provokes another person to do something, especially something daring or mischievous, you can use this idiom to egg someone on. For example, John's friends egg him on to try the scary roller coaster at the amusement park. Another example, Sarah's brother always eggs her on to participate in the talent show. To egg someone on.
Egg him on.
Number 5, chew the fat. We use this idiom to describe a casual and friendly chat with someone. For example, we sat around the campfire, chewing the fat and reminiscing about old times. The old friends enjoyed chewing the fat at their high school reunion. To chew the fat.
Chew each other's fat. Come on.
Number 6, as cool as a cucumber. If you see someone who seems to be always calm and collected, especially in stressful situations, then you can use this idiom, as cool as a cucumber. For instance, despite the chaos around her, Emily remained as cool as a cucumber during the emergency. The experienced pilot stayed as cool as a cucumber, even under pressure.
Cool as a cucumber, just like he's been all week.
Coming in, number 7, in a pickle. We use in a pickle to describe being in a very difficult or tricky situation. For example, we are in a pickle now that the car broke down and we are miles away from help. Another example, the chef realized he was in a pickle when he ran out of crucial ingredient during dinner service. Oopsie.
I'm really in a pickle now.
Number 8, butter someone up. Use this idiom when someone flatters or praises another person to gain favor or an advantage. For instance, he tried to butter up his boss by complimenting her work and bringing her coffee every day. The salesperson attempted to butter up the customer to make a larger purchase. People who excessively flatter or praise you might have ulterior motives. While it's fine if it's all in good humor among friends, you should be cautious of those who have a hidden agenda. You might want to stay vigilant and not let sweet talk cloud your judgment.
You brought him in here to butter him up.
Number 9, to take something with a pinch of salt. We use this idiom when we are skeptical or not fully believing something you've heard. For example, he tends to exaggerate, so I take his stories with a pinch of salt. The rumors with the celebrity's new movie should be taken with a pinch of salt until confirmed.
So I have to take it with a grain of salt.
Coming up next, another idiom about salt, salt of the earth. This idiom is describing a person who is good, honest, and dependable. For example, Mr. Thompson is the salt of the earth, always leading a helping hand to those in need. We can also use this idiom as an adjective, like in this example. The small village is full of salt of the earth people who care for one another. Oh, that's nice.
Such wonderful people, really. Salt of the earth.
Number 11, cream of the crop. This idiom refers to the best or highest quality of something or someone in a particular group. You can use it when talking about exceptional individuals or items, like the top students in a class, the best performers in a competition, or the finest products in a selection. Examples: the top students were selected for the scholarship, the cream of the crop. Only the cream of the crop performers get a chance to join the prestigious dance company.
These chefs are the cream of the crop.
Number 12, the icing on the cake. It means something that makes a good situation even better or more special. You can use it when describing an additional positive aspect or bonus that complements an already satisfactory outcome, such as receiving a promotion with a pay rise as the icing on the cake. Some more examples. Winning the championship was fantastic, and getting a trophy was the icing on the cake. The surprise visit from her best friend was the icing on the cake for Sarah's birthday celebration.
Which would be icing on the cake.
Number 13, baked cheese. Any important or influential person, typically someone in a position of authority or power, you can use this idiom, baked cheese, to describe them. Examples? The CEO of the company is considered the baked cheese, making important decisions. At the event, the baked cheese of the industry gave an inspiring keynote speech. Can you think of some baked cheese and comment below?
I was a big cheese, a huge cheese.
Number 14, hard nut to crack. We know nuts are very nutritious and they're good for our health. But if something is a hard nut to crack, it means a problem or a person that is difficult to understand, to solve, or to deal with. You can use it when encountering challenges that require considerable effort to overcome, or when trying to figure out someone's complex personality. Examples: solving this complex math problem is a hard nut to crack for most students. The detective found the case to be a hard nut to crack due to a lack of evidence.
I hear you're a tough nut to crack.
Number 15, go bananas. Have you ever danced like no one's watching? Sung in the shower like you're a superstar? Or burst into laughter for no apparent reason? Congratulations, you've definitely gone bananas. This idiom means to become extremely excited, agitated, or crazy. You can use this idiom to describe people's enthusiastic reaction to something they love, such as fans going bananas at a concert or children going bananas at a theme park. Here are some more examples. The crowd went bananas when their favorite band took the stage. The kids will go bananas when they see the surprise in the playroom.
You were going bananas without her.
Number 16, cut the mustard. If you cut the mustard, it means you perform well or meet the required standards. We can use this idiom when talking about someone who successfully meets expectations or performs a task skillfully, like a chef who cuts the mustard with their exceptional cooking. Some more examples. He's a talented player, but he needs to improve to cut the mustard at the professional level. The new employee's performance didn't cut the mustard, so they were let go.
But it won't cut the mustard with me.
Number 17, bigger fish to fry. This idiom means to have more important or pressing matters to attend to instead of dealing with something less significant. We can use it when someone is choosing to focus on more crucial issues and doesn't want to waste time on less important ones. Examples. I understand your concern, but right now we have bigger fish to fry. Instead of arguing about small details, let's focus on the bigger fish to fry, the main issue.
We have bigger fish to fry.
Number 18, get another bite at the cherry. If you want to give someone a second chance at something, you can use this idiom, to get another bite at the cherry. It means to get a second opportunity to try something or have another chance at success. We can use it when someone gets a chance to redo or improve upon a previous attempt that didn't work out as planned. Some more examples. I missed the deadline, but the boss gave me another bite at the cherry to submit the report. Even though they lost the first game, they still have another bite at the cherry to win the championship. Number 19, wake up and smell the coffee. Coming to number 19, this idiom is used as a wake-up call to someone who is ignoring or avoiding an evident situation that needs attention. It means to become aware of reality, face the truth, or recognize the obvious. Examples include, it's time to wake up and smell the coffee. You need to start taking your studies seriously. After several failed attempts, he finally woke up and smelled the coffee about his unhealthy habits. Share with me if you've ever been in a situation where you need to wake up and smell the coffee.
Wake up. Smell the coffee, all right?
Last one, number 20. Have your cake and eat it too. Most of the time in life, we want to have everything that we desire. Sometimes even if things are mutually exclusive or contradictory, like eating fast food but wanting to be as fit as a fiddle. We can use this idiom when someone wants to have the benefits of two conflicting options at the same time, which is often impossible. Examples. You can't have your cake and eat it too. You have to choose one option or the other. The company wanted to expand rapidly and keep costs low, but they soon realized they couldn't have their cake and eat it too.
It's perfect.
Dude, you can have your cake and eat it.
And there you go, 20 delightful food idioms to spice up your English conversations. Let me know which one is your favorite. I hope you've enjoyed learning about these idioms as much as I enjoyed sharing them with you. Remember, Idioms add flavor and fun to language. Adding them into your speech will make you sound like a seasoned English speaker. So go ahead and use some of these idioms you learned today in your daily interactions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more English lessons. If you like this video, you might also want to check out this video where I talked about 10 baby idioms. Until next time, take care and see you soon.